On this video today, I'm going to show you a free AI tool that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is free, and the best part is that you can use it wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this strategy. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate marketplace. There are many of them, but I recommend Digistore24 because it is available worldwide. Once you join Digistore24, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on it, you can see the different offers that you can promote. There are many offers and the different categories that you can promote to make money from home. When you come right here, you can see digital products. If you click on it, you can see different categories of digital products that you can promote. If you also want physical products, you can scroll down to the button and then select physical products that you can promote to make money from home. The physical products are shipping products, so once you click on it, you can see the different kind of physical products that you can promote to make money. In this case, what I want to do is that I want to select a product which I can easily get a sale. To select a product which you can easily get a sale, what you need to do is that you have to sort the products based on cart conversion rate. So come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, click on cart conversion. Once you click on it, you can see the different products with the high cart conversion rate. You can see a whole lot of them. So any of them that you want, you can just click on it and then begin to promote it. In this case, what I want to do is that I want to promote a weight loss product. You can see this is a weight loss product. You can see supplements for slimming. You can see it right here. So you can promote a product like this. The commission rate is $100, 23 cents. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. So if you want, you can promote a product like this. If you are new to the product, you can also click on the sales page so that you can view the landing page of the product. But if you have already been promoting the product, there's no need for you to view the landing page again. Now, once you have viewed the landing page and got some information about the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. So now what you have to do is that you have to use a strategy that you can easily make a sale without investing any money. There are many methods that you can use to promote the product. We have the free method and we have the paid method. The free method, you need to build an audience so that you can promote the product to them. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using TikTok to build an audience so that we can promote the product to them. So now what you have to do is that you have to create a TikTok account so that you can begin to make money with this strategy. You can see a whole lot of different weight loss videos. So we need to also create a TikTok account so that we can promote the product right here. You can see one video even got 1.5 million views, which means a lot of people like weight loss products. If you also create an account and then promote the product here, you are going to get people to purchase it. So just create a TikTok account. Now once you create a TikTok account, the next step is that you have to create videos. There's an AI tool that you can use to create a video for free without paying for anything. Let me show you the AI tool. The AI tool that we are going to be using to create the video is picverse.ai. This AI tool allows you to create video for free without paying for anything. If you create an account, they are going to be giving you credit for free, which you can use to create 2 or more videos. On TikTok, you need to post consistently, so you can create 2 videos per day and then post them on TikTok so that you can go viral. So just go and search for Picverse. Once you search for it and create your accounts and login, now what you have to do is that you have to just enter a prompt right here. You can write a prompt like this: create a video about people exercising to lose weight. Just simple like this. Once that is done, you can click on create so that it will create the video for you. So just wait, it is going to generate the video for you so that you can use it. As you can see, this is the video. You can see this is the video. You can see everything. This is the video that it has generated. You can generate many of them so that you select the one that you want. Now once you have your video, the next step is that you have to add a voice over it. You need to write a story and then add a voice over to this video so that you can get people to view it and then take the action that you want them to take. The next step is that you have to copy the name of the product and then write a script about it so that we can use it in the video. So just highlight and copy the name of the product. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come on ChatGPT and then ask ChatGPT to write a script for you. So just type your prompt right here, write a short video script about, then you paste the name of the product right here, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on send so that it can write the scripts for you. You can see it has finished writing the script. You can see everything. Now the next step is that we have to add this script to the video. To do that, you need another AI tool. The AI tool that we are going to use to add the script to our video is clickchamp.com. Clickchamp is a free tool that you can use to add voiceover on your videos. You can also use it to create a video for free. You don't need to pay for anything. So just search for Clickchamp. Once you search for it, create your accounts. Once you create your accounts and login, click on create a new video. Once you click on create a new video, click on record and create. Click on that. Once you click on it, scroll down and then click on text to speech. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to copy and paste your script right here. So come back on ChatGPT. You can see this is your article. So you can highlight and copy the headline. Just highlight and copy your script. Once you highlight and copy your script, come back and then paste it right here. Paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste it, you can select a voice for your video. There are many AI voices that you can select. When you click on it, you can see a whole lot of them. After school, you can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want. Once you select the voiceover that you want, click on preview so that you can listen to the voice.
Teespring drops. A smarter way.
You can see that looks good. The next step is that click on save so that the text can be converted to an audio. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is the length of the audio. Now what you have to do is that you have to add your video to this audio. So just come back on pixverse.ai. Once you come back, just select your video. You can see it right here. Download. Click on it, download, so that you can download your video. You can see it is downloading. Just wait for it to download. It has been downloaded. The next step is that you have to come back on Clickchamp and then click on import media. Once you click on it, select your video. Once you select it, it's going to be uploaded. You can see it has been uploaded. Click right here plus so that you can add your video to it. Once that is done, you have to duplicate the video. So right click on it, select duplicate. Right click on it, select duplicate. Right click on it, select duplicate. So you have to do that for the entire audio. Or if you want, you can create another scene on Pixverse. Once you create another scene about weight loss, you can add it to your audio. Now once you have your video and audio, the next step is that you have to click right here.
Teespring drops. A smarter way to.
Once you click on play, you can see there's a voiceover in your video. Now what we need to do is that we have to add captions on our video. So click right here, generate auto captions with AI. So click on try now. Once you click on try now, you can see USA English. If you don't want English from USA, you can select any country that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the country that you want. In this case, I'm going to leave it United States and then click on transcribe media. Once you click on it, within a few minutes, it is going to transcribe everything for you. You can see it has started. Just wait for it. It is going to transcribe. As you can see, it is transcribing the audio. You can see it has finished transcribing. When you play the video again,
drops.
You can see there are captions right here. So we can customize it to our need. So let's paste it right here. Once you move it to the position that you want, you can change the font. So let's say we change it to Oswald. Once that is done, we can change the font size. So let's change it to 32. You can also change the text color. Let's change it to yellow. You can change the alignment, any kind of thing that you want. You can customize the text. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to click on play.
A smarter way to slim down naturally. If you've been struggling to lose stubborn weight despite dieting and exercising.
As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have your video created, click on export. Once you click on export, select high quality. Your video is exporting. You have to wait for some time so that it can be exported onto your device. Once your video is exported, the next step is that you have to upload it onto your TikTok accounts, just like this person has uploaded the videos. Once you upload the video, you have to enter your affiliate link at the bio section of your profile. You can see this person right here has entered a link. You can see this is a link to a shop. You can see it right here. So you have to put your affiliate link at the bio section of your profile. Once you put your link, you have to post consistently so that you can get people attention to the product that you are promoting. You don't have to create one video or two videos and expect results. You need to be consistent. On TikTok or any social media platform, you need to first of all build your following. Once you're able to grow your following, You can be making up to $500 per day, $1,000 per day, $2,000 per day, $3,000 per day. It depends on your investment on the platform. If you keep on growing your following, you can earn a lot of money per day. All that you need to do is that you have to be consistent. Do not post 2-3 videos and expect results. You need to be consistent so that the results will come naturally because of the number of followers that you have. You don't need to give up. Even if you post your video and get 1 view, 2 views, 3 views, keep on posting. The pictures can come from 100 views, it can come from 10,000 views, it can come from 20,000 views, it can come from 3 views. All that you need to do is that you have to keep on posting so that you can get the results. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.